Bike Slideshow!
Is that green ninja still staring at me?
The what bike?
What a weirdo.
Bike! Bike! Bike!
Volcano Base, this is Alpha Squad. Arriving shortly at Bakery theme, the victory cake goes back in the fridge. The victory cake goes back in the fridge.
There is a magma spill on deck 3. Avoid deck 3 if sensitive to magma.
Just past Garmadon in the hallway, he seems pretty angry.
He's requesting a mandatory staff meeting by the fireplace.
Is that the room with the lava or the room where people get fired?
It's both.
It's stupid in the sky. Oh, we see.
Well, generals,
Kick your
congratulations. We finally conquered Ninjago.
I'm not certain we did that.
I was being sarcastic!
Hey! This is not bike! What is
Ninja thwarts me. I mean, who are these super ninjas? Every time I come up with a new plan, they still beat me. And they don't even have cool suits. You guys have like crab outfits and shark outfits. I mean, maybe we were spending too much on outfits.
That sounds right to me, sir.
Oh, come on.
Bike
Look,
and
yourselves. I'm not your father, all right?
Is that a weird thing for him to say to us?
General number one. Do you
Okay,
want to be a follower, or do you want to be a leader?
Leader?
How dare you? You, what's your title?
I'm General Number 2, sir.
Well, now you're General number 1.
Oh.
And you, what's your title?
General 3?
Well, now you're General number 2. You see where I'm going
The
with this?
bike!
I told
A
you
sword!
that was something big, something wicked, something.
I'm basically gonna go like I say.
General number 1.
Gentleman 6.
Go ahead. Give me some ideas.
Well, sir, I was
The
thinking
bike!
maybe
You're
work
gonna
on the morale of the
change
troops.
what
They're always scared of being fired.
We could do the same thing we did last time?
Crash!
We dress up as the secret ninjas.
It's time we develop a code like
Bike!
Intimidation. We paint angry eyebrows on the troops'
But you
faces.
just ran for mayor.
Ah!
Oh, come on.
Bike!
Come on,
The
the genius
bike!
idea. Anyone? Come on, jump off. This is a safe place. Go ahead. Just grab it.
Excuse me.
Hey, no, it's the, we're gonna go bike! Don't sing!
Give me that. Come on to the lakey.
Bike! Bike! Bike!
Yeah, that's your dad. You were open, man.
It was highly poignant. For me, it's easy to fight him because he's like not my father. But for you, that must be so complicated.
Not that complicated.
You also really pulled at my heartstrings, man. I
The
felt
bike!
With the missiles.
no with the other stuff.
The other, but
that,
I don't.
that stuff.
Yeah, but like exactly what are you referring to?
Watching you and your father.
The vulnerability.
You got so emotional.
Emotions were the last thing.
I guess
that was
a
going
bike.
down there.
Really?
Yeah. It's okay, Lloyd. Don't
You see the bike!
I mean, my mom is weird and collects seashells. Your dad levels
A
cities
bike,
and
a
attacks
bike,
innocent
bike.
So- They've all got their quirks, you know?
Where's that tranquil music coming from?
Hey, look, everyone! Master Wu is back!
Hello, students.
Shock.
How was your trip?
It was a deep
Bike,
spiritual
I
journey.
see
It
bike.
took me to depths inside myself I never knew existed.
Yeah, you have a pretty serious tan line.
Don't judge me.
Ooh!
See us kick Garmadon's butt?
We vanquished him. Bam!
Bike!
And I saw Gamadan retreat. But you did not defeat him.
Where is it? Shoot that shit bike!
You,
We're so ninja, I don't know what you're talking about.
you will never truly defeat Gamadan until you see things from a different point of view. You have the power to win a battle without fighting. When you start using your mind,
Bike.
you won't need mechs and machines. Your core signs are not just cool names. They are the elemental powers you were all born with. Nia,
The
you
bike!
can create
Oh,
water on your own. And Kai, fire. Wow. Jake, lightning. choose
bike,
to find the
clear
secret
it,
ninja
bike,
force.
bike.
It is the highest level that you can achieve as a ninja. I wrote a book about it. It's called Ninja Nuity. Copyright Master Wu.
And what about me? What am I?
Lloyd, yours
Go
is the
bike.
most important element of all.
Okay, hit me with it.
Your elemental power is green.
I
What's
know.
that?
Green.
No!
Recap. Fire, ice, water, earth, lightning, and...
Green.
Can I be gold?
No.
Wind isn't taken. Can I be wind?
No.
Earth, green, and fire. Rolls right off the tongue.
Lloyd.
Could I be the element of surprise?
No. That's the fusion ninja.
Surprise!
There's
There's so many
bike
elements
on your
left.
face.
This feels kind of purposeful that I don't have one.
Enough, Lloyd.
I don't say bike!
Practice Spinjitzu.
That's easy. Watch this.
Exertion for 3 hours.
3 hours? Are you kidding me with this guy? And bring my book.
Are you sure you have to bike?